This is the Thule Construct 24-liter backpack. So for this backpack, the best part about this backpack is this hard case. There is a hard case over here where we can throw in our sunnies, and it's going to protect the sunnies really well. I'm going to show you the pocket from outside to the back. So for a start, on the outer front, there is this hook which allows us to hook a carabiner hook. The first layer of the pocket is on this outer pocket, and within this outer pocket there is an inner organizer. So for this organizer, there is a keychain holder, a small pocket and a big pocket. I basically throw in my SSD drive in there. I have a little pen and my mask. So the pocket is pretty deep. It goes all the way down here. So that's this outer pocket. And then we have this nice handy outer stash pocket. There is no zipper for this outer stash, but we can unhook to open up the outer stash pocket. For this outer stash pocket, there is this stretchy sides, which prevents things from dropping out. So what I've got here is I've got a pack of tissue paper, just throw in there. We just need to find this hook like so. So for this stash pocket, if you want, you can also throw in a jacket. I normally put my jacket inside the bag itself in the main pocket, but just to show it to you, if you want, it's pretty tight, but if we want, we can stuff in our jacket on the outer stash pocket as well. As you can see, it's pretty tight. So what I normally do is I'll just have my jacket inside the main compartment. So for the main pocket, it's pretty huge because this is a 24-liter backpack. There is a laptop sleeve inside, and it's well cushioned. So my 14-inch laptop, I just slide it in like that. And after that, there is also another compartment for our tablet. And then finally, outside the tablet, there is this zipper stretchy pocket. And I've got my portable keyboard in there. So that's basically the three inner pockets inside the main compartment. And as you can see, I can open up the bag pretty big for us to stuff things inside. And I still have got a Logitech headphone underneath the bag. So on the side pocket, there's this huge water bottle, which I like very much because any size water bottle, we'll be able to easily fit it in. And at the back of the bag, there is this strap for us to easily hook onto our luggage. Now bear in mind, I have my laptop, tablet, water bottle, jacket, everything in the bag, and it's still pretty stable. The other thing I like about this backpack is this hook over here. I can hook a carabiner hook and a pouch over here. So I can easily access my wallet with this pouch. Or when I don't need to use the pouch anymore, I can unhook it and basically slot it into the side pocket of the Thule Construct Backpack. And the other good thing about this backpack is we can strap it in front. So it's very easy for us to take things like our earbuds. And so on. So yeah, that's the Thule Construct 24-liter backpack. Remember there's a 28-liter backpack as well.